Traveling with kids can be as unpredictable as the weather. Sunny one moment, stormy the next. The common challenges faced by parents range from boredom-induced tantrums to the infamous "Are we there yet?" And let's not forget the sudden mood swings that can turn a cheerful child into a grumpy little bear. These situations can be daunting, but remember, flexibility and adaptability are your best allies on this journey. Sometimes, plans change. Flights get delayed, kids get cranky. But instead of panicking, see it as an opportunity to teach your little ones about adaptability and resilience. It's all about turning those obstacles into adventures. So, whether you're navigating through a crowded airport or enduring a long car ride, remember that with the right mindset, even the stormiest travel days can lead to rainbows. But don't worry, we've got some tips to keep those stormy clouds at bay. The key to a smooth journey lies in the planning stage. It's like painting a picture. You sketch the outline first, and then fill in the colors. The same goes for your family vacation. Plan the big things first: the destination, accommodation, and transport. Then, fill in the details: activities, meals, and downtime. Here's where your detective skills come in. Research your destination, look up reviews, ask friends, join online forums. Get a feel for what to expect and plan accordingly. It's always better to over-prepare than to be caught off guard. But let's face it, even the best-laid plans can go awry. Flights get delayed, the weather doesn't cooperate, or maybe the must-see attraction is closed for maintenance. The unexpected is part of the journey. So what do? You stay flexible, adaptable, and ready to roll with the punches. Having a plan B and C and D can be a lifesaver. If the beach day is rained out, maybe there's a local museum or indoor play area you can visit instead. If the flight is delayed, have a bag of tricks ready to keep the kids entertained. Involving the kids in the planning process can also be a great strategy. Let them choose some activities or places to visit. It gives them a sense of ownership and something to look forward to. Setting realistic expectations is another crucial step. Explain to your children that things might not always go as planned, but that's part of the adventure. Teach them to be resilient and adaptable, just like you. And don't forget to prioritize comfort during your travels. Ensure your children have adequate rest, snacks, and comfort items. A well-rested, well-fed child is a happy traveler. Your attitude also plays a significant role. Show positivity and patience, even in challenging situations. Remember, your kids look to you for cues on how to react. So to sum it up, thorough planning, flexibility, and a positive attitude are your keys to a successful family vacation. Remember, a good plan today is better than a perfect plan tomorrow. An engaged child is a happy child. This phrase rings true, especially when it comes to family vacations. Engaging your kids during travel doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about making them feel involved and valued. Let's start with communication. It's crucial to talk to your children about the trip. Discuss the itinerary, the places you'll visit, and why they're interesting. This will spark their curiosity and foster a sense of anticipation. But remember, the conversation should be age-appropriate. For younger kids, a simple, "We're visiting a park with the largest slide," could work wonders. For older ones, sharing historical facts or trivia about the destination could be intriguing. Now, what if there are changes in plans or unforeseen challenges? Again, communication is key. Make your children understand that sometimes things don't always go as planned, and that's okay. This not only keeps them informed, but also helps them develop resilience and adaptability. Next up, keep them involved throughout the journey. This could mean letting them help with packing their own bags or choosing the family's next pit stop during a road trip. The idea is to give them a sense of responsibility and ownership. This not only keeps them busy, but also makes them feel like they're an important part of the vacation. Another great strategy is to incorporate fun and educational activities into your travel plans. Consider using travel-themed books, puzzles, or games that can be tied into the places you're visiting. This will keep them engaged and also enhance their learning experience. Lastly, remember to balance structured activities with free time. Kids need time to relax and process their experiences, so make sure to include downtime in your schedule. This could be as simple as spending an afternoon lounging by the pool or having a leisurely picnic in the park. Remember, the goal is not to keep your kids busy every single moment, but to make them feel involved, excited, and valued. So keep them involved, and they'll feel like an integral part of the adventure. Your child's comfort can make or break your trip. A simple statement, but one that carries a lot of weight. When we talk about comfort, we're not just referring to plush seats or cozy blankets, although those certainly help. We're talking about a state of being where your child feels secure, satisfied, and at ease. Firstly, let's talk about rest. Kids can be bundles of energy, but they also need their downtime. Ensuring they get plenty of sleep before you set off on your adventure can really set the tone for the trip. Try to maintain their usual sleep schedules as much as possible. A well-rested child is likely to be more cooperative and less prone to mood swings. Next, food. Never underestimate the power of a good snack. Hunger can make anyone grumpy, let alone a child. Pack plenty of nutritious and delicious snacks that your child loves. Think whole grain crackers, cheese sticks, fruits, or their favorite granola bars. Something that's easy to eat on the go and can keep those hunger pangs at bay. Then we have comfort items. These can be anything from a beloved teddy bear to a favorite blanket or book. These familiar objects can provide a sense of security and calm in unfamiliar surroundings. If your child has a favorite item that helps them feel at ease, make sure to bring it along. And let's not forget about physical comfort. Dress your child in layers so you can easily adjust to changing temperatures. Choose clothes that are easy to move in and don't restrict their movements. And remember, shoes can make a world of difference. Opt for comfortable footwear that's suitable for walking and easy to put on and take off. In all these aspects, your aim should be to create an environment where your child feels safe, satisfied, and content. This can significantly reduce the chances of tantrums or meltdowns and can make the journey much more enjoyable for everyone involved. Remember, a comfortable child is a happy traveler. So make comfort a priority and watch as your family vacations transform into unforgettable experiences filled with joy, laughter, and a whole lot of fun. Your attitude can set the tone for the entire trip. Believe it or not, your kids are experts at picking up your moods. If you're stressed, they'll sense it and likely mirror your emotions. So, it's crucial to project positivity, even when things don't go as planned. Remember, vacations are about creating memories, not perfection. When faced with unexpected hiccups, take a deep breath, smile, and remind yourself that this is all part of the journey. A positive attitude can turn a flat tire into an unplanned family picnic by the roadside, a delayed flight into an exciting airport scavenger hunt. Patience is your ally in this adventure. Keep your responses calm and measured. Show your kids how to adapt to changes with grace and cheerfulness. They'll learn invaluable life lessons from your example. So keep your cool, and your kids will follow suit. Different phases of travel require different strategies. So let's dive into some practical tips for each phase, shall we? During flights, it's all about distraction and comfort. Make sure to pack a carry-on bag with age-appropriate activities like coloring books, puzzle games, or even a favorite movie downloaded on a tablet. Don't forget to include snacks and comfort items like a familiar blanket or stuffed animal. Road trips can be a different beast altogether. Break up long drives with frequent stops at interesting sites or parks. Turn the journey into an adventure. Try games like I Spy or License Plate Bingo to keep young minds engaged. And remember, snacks are your best friend to keep those little tummies happy. When it comes to sightseeing, consider your child's interests. Not every kid will enjoy a 3-hour tour of an art museum, but they might love a trip to a local zoo or science center. Let them have a say in the itinerary. It can make them feel involved and more excited about the day ahead. Unexpected delays or changes can throw a wrench in the best-laid plans. But don't panic. Keep a cool head, reassure your kids, and find a way to make the most of the situation. Maybe that flight delay turns into an impromptu airport scavenger hunt. Remember, it's essential to set realistic expectations. Not every moment will be picture perfect, and that's okay. What matters is that you're spending quality time together as a family, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Finally, don't forget that your attitude sets the tone. Stay positive, stay patient, and keep your sense of humor. Your kids will pick up on your energy, so if you're relaxed and having fun, chances are they will be too. With these tips in your arsenal, you'll be ready for any travel challenge. So that's it, folks. 10 tips to make your family vacation a breeze. We've talked about the importance of planning ahead, staying flexible and adaptable, keeping your little ones engaged, and ensuring their comfort throughout the journey. We've also discussed the impact of your attitude on the overall travel experience and provided you with specific strategies to handle different phases of travel. Remember, the key to a successful family vacation lies in setting realistic expectations, preparing for potential challenges, and most importantly, maintaining a positive and patient attitude. Now it's your turn to implement these strategies and transform your family trips into unforgettable experiences. Let's bid farewell to grumpy faces and welcome happy travels. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and advice. Safe travels!